What is up guys, it's your boy sayonbiz back again with another tutorial. In this one I'll show you how to install Lightroom presets on Lightroom Classic of your computer. If you have a computer device and you want to install presets but don't know how to, I'll show you how to do this in this video. It's a pretty simple task, but then if you still need help, I'm here for you. If you still haven't got the presets that I have put out, yes, I have my own presets. If you haven't got them, they're down in the description. You can go and check them out. I think you'll like them. They're both for warm tones and cool tones, so hope you like them. And without wasting any more time, let's get started with this video. Well, first and foremost, you have to make sure you have Lightroom installed on your computer. Well, obviously. Now, having done that, go to the Develop tab on the top. This is your main editing panel. So now you go back to the folder where you have kept all the zip files of the presets. These are my two presets. If you haven't got them yet, link in description, you can go get them. They're really cheap. Once you have downloaded the zip files, it's time for you to unzip them. So having unzipped them, you'll get two folders for the warm tones and the cool tones, and with the respective presets in them. Now what you have to do is open Lightroom in the Develop panel. So now you head down to the bottom left to the presets panel and click on the add option to import presets. Now go to the folder where you have the presets. For this example, I'll choose the cool tones pack and I'll import all three of the presets. Hit OK. Now they'll be all put into one folder. Now you can rename them. I'll rename them with my customized name, which is sayonbiz cool tones pack maybe. Yep, there you go. Now this is my cool tones pack. Now for the other ones, I'll follow the same process. So import presets, go to the folder that has your presets. So the warm tones, and I click on all the presets and hit OK. Now they've been imported into the folder. I wish to rename it, so I click on rename and I give my desired name. So sayonbiz warm tones pack. Yep, right there, and voila. It was as simple as that. All your presets now installed. If you want to download my particular presets, they're down in the description. You can go check them out. Once you have installed them, they'll be all over here in the preset panel. It's as easy. If you go right click on manage presets, you can select what all presets you want. These are all the basic presets you have on Lightroom beforehand, so you can use them. If you don't want them, just right click on any of these groups over here, go to manage presets, and you can just turn them on and off anytime you want. So you just turn them off and done, they're gone. So yeah, that's basically how you keep your preset panel clean. Customize them, play with however you want to do, and have fun using them actually. So this is basically it. Stay tuned for the future tutorials. I'll show you how to use them, particularly on specific pictures. I have a bunch of pictures over here actually. These are some pictures I've downloaded from unsplash.com. They are free to use, so you can edit them however you want to. And stay tuned for the future tutorials. I'll be showing you how I edit these particular pictures in my style with my particular filters. If you really buy my filters, it really mean a lot to me and support me a lot, because I've worked a lot on these filters for a long time. So if you do end up enjoying, do let me know. And I guess you like them. You also have some sample pictures before you buy them, so you can actually see how they look before you actually buy them. So have fun and enjoy the presets. So thank you all for watching this short tutorial video. If you did enjoy my video, make sure to leave a like, and if you have any queries, leave them down in the comments. I'll answer them. And just to show you guys, these presets actually work with each and every picture, so not plugging it in, but then they're down in the description. Go and download them. So yes, please go download them if you really like them, and I'll really appreciate if you do. So sayonbiz over now. See you guys on the next tutorial videos. It was lovely meeting you all.